a princess.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is Genshmoto and in today's video we are at Shitfest 2026. We've waited for about a couple of hours on the queue, so it was actually worse than the Jap Fest, but you literally walk in and action starts, which is meant to be nice, and it's packed up with people. Like here you cannot see it, it's more like a very cheap fairy tale, but so far we're expecting a great day. We're with Tony and Tonya, Maria as well over here, so hopefully we're going to see some cool cars. Then what I'm planning to do is go around the car park and shoot some Shitfest. Where are you going?
To the loo.
Oh, I thought you were going there.
I got a leak. Oh. I need to go to the loo. You want me to come with you? No. Are you sure?
Fantastic. Looks like a TR7 from here. Yes, fantastic. Triumph TR7, the successor to the TR6. Arguably not as good looking. He's still putting on a good show today. Leaping up at the front. Oh,
brother.
He's got it back though.
What's that, brother?
I'd surrender there if I were you too. Fantastic.
So can you explain this? When I drift it's not cool, but when somebody else drifts it's cool. Why?
Because I love you.
And? That's wifey for you.
Our drift course. Smoke pouring out of the rear rack. Handbrake slide, right foot as generously. To the crowd, running back behind. Over the revs and round we go again. Steering wheel. Triple-X livery. Fantastic. The deep dish wheels also working well. The turbo as well is what we want to hear. This one, pure drift machine and pops and banter as well. Diesel's not built for MPG, that's for sure. Is he going to hit the codes? No, he's not. You can just about make out the diesel smoke from the tyre smoke there. BMX5, wow, that rolls, holy moly, that rolls. Yeah, fair dues, I wouldn't have for that either.
Right, so we've just put some food in our bellies and we went around to have a look at the shops, and I have to say for Shitfest the shops are actually more expensive than what it was on the Japfest. So it is, Tony. So yeah, it is a little bit weird.
And it still runs. Yep. It's loaded.
It's crazy what they've done to that car.
Сочка. Четыре.
Мальчика.
О, ты на роли Мустанга. Без алкоголя.
Yellow's this one. Okay, if you squeeze all the way, you'll crash everywhere. So nice and gentle. If you want to change lanes, hold the little round button in. All good?
Yeah.
Okay, extra slow on the hairpin.
Orange? How do you always win?
So yellow won the race, red second, orange third, green fourth.
Wonderful.
from the other side, and I don't know about you, but I got butterflies. Damn, I don't got game, but I feel you would like to play. So I pass go and I collect 200 on the way. I know I probably jumped too many spaces, but you can't be replaced. You're a superstar and I can feel you in my arms. Move to the song, the beat is pounding out my heart. Funky to the dawn, and I can say what we'll become. Am I insane? I did lose you, love, baby.
There's something about the W124's Mercedes. They're just, I mean, look at it. Even with a broken headlight and stock wheels, it still looks the part.
Girl, you're killing every move and breaking all the rules, and your hips don't lie, making an offer I can't refuse. Damn, maybe the only thing I know about you's your name, so I'll wear it out, and one day you might wear mine through a ring. I know I may just be a face in the crowd that doesn't faze me. I sing loud, you're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. The beat is pounding out my heart, and I can say what we'll become. Am I insane? I did lose you, love, baby.
shit fest plus a little bit of fitness for my fat belly. Now that's something that you don't see every day. Off-road Supra. Look at it. It's huge, like just for comparison.
Oh, careful, careful. Oh.
Sorry. That is for comparison. Massive thing. Whoa, it gets even worse. Look at that. Now that's what I'm calling a Frankenstein. What is this? There's Supra. If you want to see more of it, let us know in the comments down below what do you think the engine is from, because for me it looks like an engine from a tank, but it also looks diesel as well, so it's gonna be quite interesting if anyone knows. Oh, there's another one, this time a Miata. That's diesel, by the way. That is diesel. Look at that. Thank you. That is absolutely sick on another level. There is one currently for sale on Marketplace. £2,500, I think it was. It's a really nice thing. I like it. I like it a lot. Right guys, there is Phil, the MX-5. It is, and my MX-5 is never going to be anything like it. Look at Maria getting excited, running, trying to find a space. It's actually quite funny, look at her. It's like she's rushing to catch the bus.
Из каждого тенда мы будем М3 так.
M3 convertible. I'm actually quite envy.
Convertible.
It's not convertible, is it?
It's tight.
An M3 estate. Like, I have to say I'm quite envious to AutoAlex because I barely can afford to buy a second-hand set of coilovers while he's buying and rebuilding that kind of stuff. How sad it is. Subscribe, please. I need to earn some money so I can buy parts. Yeah, at least brand new coilovers for the MX-5.
Also, please sponsor him.
Nah, just subscribe and watch the videos. That's going to be enough for now. So that was everything for today, guys. Everyone's pretty much leaving about an hour before the show ends. One thing that I have to say, you see all these kind of people all day and you're thinking there's much more about cars than just transporting from point A to point B. They're passion for most people and it's what makes you happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did enjoy this day, and if you like it, subscribe. Bye.